In this video, we will explain the settings of the Medit Link app. Click the settings icon. You can search for items within the settings menu. First, we will explore the General tab. Here, you can configure basic settings such as notifications and preferred language. By enabling Allow Notifications, you can receive real-time alerts for events like partner contract or case order completion. If you uncheck this option, you will not receive notifications. You can also choose the default page that shows when the program starts. Next is the Advanced tab. Here, you can configure advanced settings, including network proxy, default apps, and experience sharing preferences. You can also set the default export parameters. CAD type selects the CAD program to use for designing. This allows you to start designing immediately by exporting directly to your CAD program. Choose where to save your files in Export Files to. You can select how you would like the file to be saved when exporting a file or folder with the same name. You can also select the mesh format and image format for your final results. If you check the box to disable conversion, the files will be exported in their original format. Under Compress and Combine, compress files will compress all results into a single file. Combine individual mesh will combine the arch and its individual scan components into one scan. This is convenient when you are unable to open multiple files in other programs. You can simply open one combined mesh file. You can also set rules for how you want the folder and files to be named. The files will be saved in the folder created according to the predefined rules. Next is Storage Management. Here, you can check your local PC and cloud storage. By adjusting the date at the top, you can also check the total amount of data stored during a selected period. If desired, users can also delete selected data types all at once. The data types are categorized into raw data and result files and attachments. After selecting the data types you want to delete, click Delete. Next is the Case Converting Tool tab. This is useful for moving cases between accounts. The tool is separated into export and import sections. You can only use Case Converting Tool for files in Meditex format. Let's try exporting first. Select the file you want to export. After setting the export path, enter the file name and save. All data for the selected case, including the maxilla, mandible, and occlusion, have been compressed and exported as a single Meditex file. Next, we will try importing. Click the folder icon and select the Meditex file in the pop-up window. Then, click Import. If the import is successful, a new case will be created in Casebox, including the case, patient, and file information. Note that order information will not be included. You can view detailed information like the installed version of Medit Link in About. For more detailed information, please refer to User Guide in Settings.